Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this cast aluminium pan from Livarno home, suitable for all hob types including induction. 28 cm diameter, 3.2 liters it is the maximum capacity, with a base thickness 5.5 mm. iLac Ultimate High Level Coating Maximizing Green, with a 3 years warranty. So let's unpack and find out more about this product and how we can use it. It is large. And of course included we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Glass lid with stainless steel edge and steam outlet. Soft handle. Long handle with soft touch coating and molded helper handle for ease of use. It is suitable for all hob types, including induction, and suitable for dishwashers. The material, it is aluminium body, aluminium bottom with embedded stainless steel. We have this handle here. We have a ceramic reinforced primer and a unique polymer matrix in the top coat for improved, outstanding and long-lasting non-stick properties. Highly hard wearing and durable. I would like to test that, definitely. But it is huge, lightweight, I like that. So let's move on for testing. Right in the corner you can check in the video for this induction hob. The non-stick coating allows for healthier cooking with less oil and makes cleaning easier. It also prevents food from sticking, ideal for frying delicate foods like eggs or fish. Milk and sugar is some of the main enemies of the pan. So let's melt some sugar and boil milk. Okay, I don't think so it passed the test. Okay, but you can remove. Okay, that is good. Okay, nice. You can wipe with a paper. That is good. Nice. Clean it with water. Now let's try with sugar. Clean. Brown and white sugar. I like the results. It doesn't stick at all. That is the fire alarm. And you can clean with paper, no problem. You need to scratch to remove some of the sugar. Clean the sugar with hot water. It is sticky here. Now something that I have realized, the bottom is not anymore flat. Yep. That is a problem. That is not pass for me.
If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, tips and recipe ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy cooking, stay creative in the kitchen, and I'll see you in the next video.